This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery-powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. In this video, I'm going to show you the Pool Blaster PV-30, and this is one of their latest models of the cordless battery-powered vacuums. Included is the operation manual and also this quick start guide. One of the really nice features of the PV-30 is that it's completely water sealed, and here is the charging port. And included is the charger for the cleaner. It takes about 4 hours for the cleaner to fully charge. When you plug it in, you'll see the light on the charger is red. After 4 hours, it'll turn green, and then you can safely unplug it. And to ensure that the PV-30 has no fail points, this cleaner has a water sensor, so it'll turn on automatically when it's in the water. It'll turn off after about 2 seconds once you remove it from the water. So there's no on-off switch, and that's another fail point of a lot of cleaners. It also has a power rating of 520, so this is one of their more powerful battery-operated vacuums. And it comes with this really nice 10.5-inch vacuum head, and you can see that it has a good-sized debris opening. And this is the bag-type cleaner, and it comes with the multi-layer filter bag. You can also get the sand silt bag if you have really fine dirt and silt in your pool or spa. It's also very lightweight and compact. It weighs about 4 pounds. It'll work in as little as 14 inches of water at a 45-degree angle. You also have this aluminum pole connector, and this extends into the cleaner. So this is very durable and long-lasting. And again, any standard telescoping pool pole easily connects to this cleaner. The PV-30 would be ideal for vacuuming attached spas. It's also ideal for vacuuming above ground spas because it works in very shallow water. You'll have no problem vacuuming out the seating area in an above ground spa. And since it runs for 60 minutes, and again it does have really great power, this can also be used to vacuum out pools as well. And again, there's no on-off switch, and this should activate and start once I put it in the water. And again, you can see how powerful this cleaner is, and it has no problem with leaf debris as well as dirt. And here's a look at the debris it picked up here. You can see all of the sand and silt that it picked up, as well as all the leaf debris. So if you're looking for a powerful and compact battery-operated cleaner for your pool or spa, the PV-30 would be a great choice. I like the fact that it has a water sensor versus an on-off switch, and that it's completely water sealed. Plus it has a runtime of 60 minutes. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, the Bottom Feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.